Will Elwyn be mad at me? This is my great-granddaughter Elwyn. She has no idea what Gbiota is, but she knows she needs a good old suck to build up her Gbiota from her mum, my granddaughter. But she will grow up, and when she is a young adult, she could be real mad at me. Now, I may be dead by then, long composted away, but I really don't want her mad at me. Why should she be mad? She could ask herself, what sort of world have my parents and their parents and their parents created for me to live in? Did they do a good job in making a planet that is a good place for me to live in? Or were they just obsessed by getting a private jet, yacht or Lamborghini? They knew that our modern food system was largely plastic food, low in essential minerals and devoid of the essential biology to feed our guts. So we were exposed to epidemics like COVID. They knew about ecological balance and that given the right conditions, the beneficial bugs will outbreed the bad bugs and make us more resilient and better able to resist epidemics. They knew they were putting billions of tons of food and organic waste into tips, turning it into greenhouse gases, when it could have been used as the food for breeding beneficial biota, which would grow plants to strengthen the immune system. They suspected that having a population with a weak immune system, densely packed into cities, were a sitting duck for epidemics. But they did not know that now every 5 years we had to face some new epidemic, which seems to come from nowhere. I don't want her saying that I knew all this and knew of the power of the people, but with nothing to tell them about the dangers that lay ahead. That is why I make these videos and ask you to follow me and tell your friends to follow me as I explain the dangers that lie ahead from a synthetic food system loaded with energy but inert, lacking the essential minerals and biota, and how we can avoid this by simply setting up local food communities growing this essential gut food. The Gbiota project is not about getting a private jet, yacht or Lamborghini. It is about creating a sustainable planet for our great-grandkids, like Eloise, so she can have a good life when she grows up. So join the Gbiota Club and work with me so we don't stuff the planet up. And Eloise says, thanks great-granddad, you did the right thing.